Hi, I'm Sharon Gilbert and I'm the chair of the Centre for Digital Public Services in Wales. Sharon Gilbert dwi a dwi'n cadeirydd o'r Ganolfan Gwasanaethau Cyhoeddus Digidol yng Nghymru, y CDPS. CDPS is a relatively new organisation, so it's only in its second year of full operations, and until last year it had run with an interim board. In July last year, a new board was appointed by Welsh Government, which is also when I joined the board as chair. So we have a whole new board all starting at the same time. We come from diverse backgrounds, professionally and personally, which is really critical to have a strong board. It creates that breadth and depth of challenge that the board should bring to the executive team. And we've been busy in this past year working with the executive team to ensure that CDPS has got a strong strategy that's well aligned with the digital strategy for Wales. We're also working with CDPS to ensure that we're building the operational capability and the capacity to deliver on that strategy. But CDPS is still a young organisation, and as a board, we've been really focused on working with the team to ensure it's built on solid foundations for good governance in a maturing organisation, doing the right things in the right way at the right time. And also, we've been ensuring that processes are in place to make sure we can report on progress and the impact of CDPS's work to always ensure value for money and to help us inform future direction of the work that we take on. We've now got a strategy that's supported by a 3-year operational plan, and our mission and vision is really clear. And it's a great opportunity as a board to have gone through that process with the executive team, because it means we can now all collectively stand behind that plan, and the board can play our role in assuring the progress towards that vision. It's also really important that we keep reviewing our plans, and obviously in the last few years there has been a lot of change, and if it's taught us anything, it's that our plans have to be flexible and agile too. We've got a team that's agile and comfortable with change, and if we need to flex or deviate to meet a need, we can. We should also acknowledge though that some of what we're trying to do is hard, and we certainly can't do it alone. Digital though is here to stay, and if we look to future generations, then the nature of our public service is going to transform even further. We're looking forward to working with the Future Generations Commissioner's Office this year, and we really want to consider how we design for the future digital service needs of our citizens. Our collaborations across public sectors this past year to deliver some key projects has taught us a lot. CDPS has made some key appointments this year, and it goes into next year with a really clear vision and an extremely strong team. The board and I are really looking forward to a year of delivery, change and continued collaborations to further improve digital public services in Wales.